Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use NVL and NVL2 functions to write a select statement. Here in the first practice, write a query to display department name, department number, manager number for all departments located in location 1700. If a department has a manager, show has manager, otherwise show no manager. Label the column manager, use NVL2 function. So let us write the select statement. Select department underscore name. We want also the department number, which is department underscore ID, and the manager number, which is manager underscore ID, from table departments where location underscore ID equal 1700. Here we want to check if the department has a manager. We want to display has manager, otherwise display no manager. How to know if the department has a manager? We can check the manager ID. If the manager ID is null, that means no manager. If the manager ID has a value, that means the department has a manager. So we can check the manager ID by using NVL2 function and check the manager ID. If the manager ID has a value, return the first expression, which is has manager. Otherwise, return the second expression, no manager. And we can provide an alias for this column, which is manager, for example. Run the select statement, and here we go. So here this department administration, department ID is 10, the manager ID, as we can see, 200. This department has a manager because here we have a value. So here by using NVL2 function, it display has a manager. For this record, for example, because here we have null value in the manager ID, the NVL2 display no manager. So NVL2 will check the manager ID. If it is null, as in this case, it will return no manager, which is the second expression. In the second practice, write a query that displays employee's last name. So select last underscore name, salary, this is the salary, commission underscore PCT for all employees from table employees working in department number 110 and 80. So we can put here the department underscore ID in 110 and 80. If an employee does not earn commission, show no commission. Label the column commission, use NVL function. So let us first run this select statement to see commission underscore PCT column. So here, as we can see, commission PCT underscore column, some records, as we can see, contain null value. So we want to check commission PCT. If the commission PCT is null, return no commission. Otherwise, return the commission itself, which is the value, as we can see here. So we want here to use NVL function to check if the commission is null, display here instead of null, no commission. So we can use here NVL function to check the commission underscore PCT. If the commission underscore PCT is null, we want to return no commission. And we can label this column as commission. If you try to run this select statement, it will fail. As we can see, invalid number. So here we are using NVL function. We are checking commission underscore PCT. Commission underscore PCT column is defined as number. So if you put here instead of no commission 0, it will succeed. If you try to run the select statement, as we can see, succeed, and it returns 0 here instead of null. But here we want to display instead of 0 a string, no commission. So if you put here no commission string, NVL2 will return an error because commission underscore PCT column is a number and we put here a string. So the data type of the arguments of NVL function must be the same. So here commission underscore PCT number, and here is a character. So we can put either here 0, for example, or we can convert commission underscore PCT to character by using to underscore char function. That's it. Run this select statement, and here we go. So this is the output of NVL. It displays the value of the commission, and if the commission is null, as we can see here, it displays no commission. So in this practice, we learned how to use NVL and NVL2 function. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.